Hi everyone, welcome to our course. My name is Lan Yuan, the professional Chinese teacher. Today our course is about internal organs. We're going to learn new characters and new words related to it, and will be very useful for you if you're living or traveling in China. Anyway, let's start our course today. So first of all, we need to get familiar with these two characters. 内脏 内, which have a meaning of internal. 内脏内脏 For example, 内心 inner heart. 内脏 internal organs. So here, 脏 which means organs. 内脏 both first term. 内脏 read after me. 内脏 And then, first of all, cerebral. 脑部脑部 cerebral. And first here, 脑 which means brain, which is a short form of brain. And 部 which means part, we have learned for a lot of time. 脑部脑部脑部 And then first brain, 大脑 This part, 大脑大脑 And we have all learned this before. 大 which means big. 大脑 So this is the biggest part of the brain. We call it big brain in Chinese. And then midbrain, 中脑 This part, 中脑 中 which have meaning of middle. 中脑中脑 Read after me. 中脑 And cerebellum, this part, 小脑 And in Chinese, it is small brain. This part, 小脑 And here, there's two third tone and should pronounce the first one into second tone. 小脑 But not 小脑, okay? 小脑小 second tone. 小 and 脑 third tone. 小脑 And then thyroid gland, 甲状腺 Read after me. 甲状腺甲 third tone, 状 first tone, 腺 first tone. 甲状腺甲状腺 And then trachea, 气管气 which means air and 管 which means hole. So this is a hole which transmits the air, trachea. 气管气管气管 And then heart, 心脏心脏心脏 And the short form of it, 心心脏心脏 Aorta, 主动脉主动脉 Read after me. 主动脉主动脉 And then this one, superior vena cava, 上腔静脉上腔静脉上腔静脉上腔静脉 And then inferior vena cava, 下腔静脉下腔静脉下腔静脉 Esophagus, 食道食道 In Chinese here, 食 which means foot and 道 which means road or way. So this is a way for the foot to went to stomach. So we call it 食道食道 10 second tone 到 first tone 10到 and then stomach 胃 first tone 胃 lung 肺 肺 first tone 肺 diaphragm 膈 second tone 膈 this part 膈 and liver 肝 flat tone 肝 spleen this part 脾 second tone 脾 and kidney 肾 肾 first tone 肾 pancreas 胰 second tone 胰 small intestine 小肠 小 third tone 肠 second tone 小肠 and large intestine 大肠 so 小 small 大 large 肠 intestine 大肠 and appendix 阑尾 read after me 阑尾 and cholecyst 胆囊 ureter 输尿管 bladder 膀胱 膀 second tone 光 flat tone 膀胱 and urethra 尿道 and here we have 输尿管 尿 which means urine and 道 we have learned 食道 before here and we have learned it 道 which means road or way, so this is a way for your urine to go out, so this is urine road, so which means urethra. And then rectum 直肠 by second tone 直肠 So this is a course day. We have learned a lot of new characters and new words. I hope you can do some review and don't forget to check the homework. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And if you have any suggestions, just comment below. I really want to hear from you. And please give it a thumbs up if you enjoy watching it. And if you haven't really subscribed, just click the subscription and the little bell icon so that you can get notification for the next video. Thank you very much. And let's see you in the next video. Bye. 阑尾在腹部的右下方，经常会因为细菌感染引起急性阑尾炎。小脑位于大脑的后下方， 是运动的重要调节中枢，有大量的传入和传出联系，同时在维系身体平衡上也起着重要作用。